So the best way to de-energize the ego is to tell the truth about him. You're greedy, yes. You want more, yes. You want to be right, yes. Of course he wants to be right. You want to win, right. Right. He wants to win. He wants to win. He always wants to win. So he hasn't learned yet. It's better to succeed. It's better to succeed than to win. In the end, what counts is succeeding. Winning doesn't mean anything. Every winner, sooner or later, is a loser. Every winner is polarized, eventually a loser, because he's playing the win-lose game. We know from quantum mechanics, you play win-lose often enough, sooner or later the 26th decimal point is going to come up and kick you in the butt. So you listen to me now, will you? Yes. It's better to succeed than to win. Okay, boss. So, the way we dissolve the ego is through love, through compassion. Not because we read it in a book, not because Krishna said it, not because Jesus said it, but because we see it for what it is. What else could the little bear in us do except do all the candidate thinks it's supposed to do for survival? He thinks he's supposed to win. Supposed to win. Okay, go on. That's number one. What was the next slide after the last one, after animals? Well, we'll skip that one anyway. Huh? Oh, no, we'll skip that one. All right, we'll just blank it out. So, we said it's a way to be in the world. The way you are to the world, I want you to focus on that. See, I don't want you to focus on content all the time. Look at the context. Look at the context. You can waste all the lifetimes you wasted fooling around with content. Once you get your context and not content, that recontextualizes that content, and the content is no longer a problem to you. I tried to recontextualize the ego to you as nothing but a teddy bear within you who's doing his duty to try and win because he thinks that's what he's supposed to do. He thought that for hundreds of millions of years. Good ego, you go ahead, win for me. All right.